Good evening and welcome back to class. The question on the screen reads: simplify the square root of 3 plus the square root of 1 over 3 minus 1 over the square root of 3. The first step to solve this question is to rationalize the denominator of 1 over the square root of 3 and 1 over the square root of 27. To rationalize 1 over square root of 3 is to remove or eliminate denominator, the square sign, which is equals to 1 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 over square root of 3. That is equals to square root of 3 over what? 3. 1 times 1 is 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equals to what? 3. To rationalize 1 over square root of 27, we must simplify 27 first, square root 27 first, by breaking 27 into two factor. One is square number and the other is surd number, which is 1 over the square root of 9, which is a square number, times square root of 3, which is a non-square number. Square root of 9 is the same thing as 3. So it becomes 1 over 3 square root of 3. It is this 1 over 3 square root of 3 that we will rationalize by multiplying it by the square root of 3, numerator and denominator. That means 1 over the 3 square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3 over square root of 3. 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3. 3 times square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. It becomes square root of 3 over 9. That is 1 times square root of 3 over 3 times 3. Square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3. So we have square root of 3 over what? 9. Now the expressions 3 the square root of 3 plus 1 over square root of 3 minus 1 over square root of 27 becomes square root of 3 over 1 plus 1 over square root of 3 minus 3 over 9. It has become a fraction, and we can solve it like a fraction since we have been able to eliminate the root sign from the denominator. So what next is to take the LCM of 1, 3, and 9. The LCM of 1, 3, and 9 is 9. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 9 times square root of 3 is 9 square root 3 plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 multiplied by square root of 3 is 3 square root of 3. Then 9 divided by 9 is 1. 1 times square root of 3 is minus 1. So we now have plus 9 plus 3 minus 1 square root of 3 over 9. And that means 9 plus 3, which is 12, and minus 1, which is 11 square root 3 over 9. Thank you for learning with us.